Chapter 9, Our Earth. Learning Objectives. 1. Life on Earth. 2. Shape of the Earth. 3. Movement of the Earth. 4. Formation of day and night. 5. Environment. 6. Global warming. Let me answer. How does the Earth rotate? How global warming affects the Earth? Earth. Land on the Earth. Flat at poles contains 1/3 as land. Water on the Earth contains 2/3 as water. Air on the Earth 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen. The blue planet. Our Earth is the only planet known to have life on it. Availability on land, water, air and moderate temperature has made our Earth worth living. This is the only planet in our solar system suitable for living things. Our Earth consists of 2/3 of water and 1/3 of land for the survival of flora and fauna. Find out any 5 things in the picture that make our planet special. Life on the Earth. Our Earth is the 3rd unique planet in the solar system. It was formed many years ago. It is believed that the Earth was very hot. When it was newly formed, there were no plants and animals on it. Later, there were rains and thunderstorms that cooled down the Earth's surface. Slowly, living forms started appearing on the Earth. This is how life started on the Earth. Natural selection and survival of the fittest has been the basis of survival on the Earth. Shape of the Earth. Earlier, people used to think that our Earth is flat just like a book. Later, scientists found out that our Earth is actually spherical in shape. This means that the Earth looks like a huge ball. How do we know that the Earth is round? If we stand at a seashore and watch a ship sailing away from us, we will see that the lower part of the ship disappears first and the top part disappears last. That is because the Earth is round like a ball. The Earth seems flat to us because we see only a tiny part of it. But people who have traveled into space have been seeing the round Earth from there. People who travel into space are called astronauts. Astronauts who went to the moon also found that shape of the Earth looks round from there. Here are some of the astronauts who made us proud. Can you identify them? He was the first person to step on the moon. The first Indian to go into the space. She was the first India-born woman to go into space. She died on 1 February 2003 when her space shuttle Columbia exploded just before landing on the Earth. Movements of the Earth. Our Earth is moving constantly. We cannot feel the movement because the Earth is moving very smoothly and slowly. Our Earth shows 2 types of movements. They are rotation and revolution. Rotation. If we spin a top, it moves round and round. While staying at the same place, the top is said to spin about a line passing through its center. We cannot see this line, so it is called an imaginary line. In the same way, our Earth also spins about an imaginary line which passes through its center. It is also called the axis of the Earth. This spinning movement of the Earth about its axis is called rotation. Day and night. Do you know the process of formation of day and night? The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. The Earth takes nearly 24 hours to rotate once on its axis. Thus, 24 hours make one day. If we switch on a torch and rotate a ball in front of the light, what do we observe? One ball, half of the ball faces the light. The other half is dark. Side that was earlier facing the light becomes dark. In the same way, when the Earth rotates on its axis, one half of the Earth faces the sun. So, it is daytime on this half of the Earth. At the same time, the other half of the Earth is away from the sun. So, it is night time on that half of the Earth. This is the fact why it is night time in America when it is daytime here in India. Revolution. The Earth moves around the sun is a fixed path. This fixed path is called Earth orbit. The movement of the Earth around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution. The Earth takes about 365 days to complete one revolution. 365 days make a year. Revolution of the Earth causes changes in the seasons. Our environment. The Earth is a wonderful planet. Our earth is formed by the air, water, land, animals, plants, and location of the place. Our environment is under threat on account of increasing needs of growing population. Ruthless cutting of trees for fuel and wood, urbanization, and discharging of untreated water in the river and oceans are the major causes of imbalance of environment. A dirty environment is dangerous for our health. We should take steps to protect it from further damage. The problems we have been causing are making air unclean, polluting land by throwing garbage on land. Here are some ways of protecting our environment. Plant more trees. Do not use plastic bags. Use water and electricity carefully. Keep your surroundings clean. Reuse items like paper, cans, etc. Facts to know. Our earth is round and it rotates around its axis, which is called rotation. Rotation of the earth causes day and night, and revolution of the earth around the sun causes change in climate. Let's recall. 1. The earth is spherical in shape. 2. Rotation causes day and night. The earth takes about 24 hours to spin on its axis once. 3. Revolution causes changes in the season. The earth takes about 365 days to revolve around the sun once. We are destroying our environment by cutting down trees in large number, by not disposing of waste properly, and polluting air, water, and land. We should take proper measures to keep our environment clean and green. Word power. Astronauts, people who travel into space. Axis, an imaginary line running through the center of the earth. Environment, climate, weather, and natural resources on our earth. Fauna, animal life. Flora, plant life. Orbit, the fixed path of the earth to revolve around the sun. Solar system, a system consisting of the sun, planets, and moons. Train your brain. Cross curriculum connect. 1. Answer the following questions in short. A. What causes changes in season on the earth? B. How long does the earth take to complete one revolution? C. What causes day and night on the earth? D. Write any one way of protecting the environment. 2. Fill up the blanks with suitable word. A. Our earth is the dash planet from the sun. B. The earth is dash in shape. C. The earth rotates about an imaginary line called its dash. D. The earth takes nearly dash to rotate once on its axis. E. The earth moves in a fixed path called its dash. 3. Answer the following questions. A. How do we know that the earth is round? B. What do you mean by revolution? C. Write the difference between rotation and revolution. 4. Tick the right and cross the wrong statements. A. The shape of the earth is like a ball. B. The earth is not a planet of solar family. C. Rotation of the earth causes day and night. D. Revolution of the earth completes in 365 days. E. Rotation causes changes in the season. 5. Multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. A. Take the correct statement. 1. Our earth is a star. 2. Our earth is a planet. 3. Our earth is a satellite. 4. All of above. B. What is the content of water on the earth? A. 1/3. 2. 1/2. 3. 2/3. 4. 3/4. C. Which is the correct statement about revolution of the earth? 1. Revolution of the earth completes in 30 days. 2. Revolution of the earth completes in 24 days. 3. Revolution of the earth completes in 365 days. 4. None of the above. 6. Give one word for each one of the following. A. They travel in space. B. It refers to planet life. C. The shape of the earth. 7. Match the columns. Column A, column B. A. Date. B. Seasons. C. The earth. D. Environment. E. Axis. 1. Round. 2. Should be kept clean. 3. Imaginary line. 4. Rotation. 5. Revolution. Activity time. Place 2 thumbs stack, one on each side of the globe. Shine the torch on the side of the globe. It has daytime now. The blue thumbtack portion of the globe is away from the torch, so it is nighttime there. Now spin the globe slowly. Notice that when the blue thumbtack has day, it is night for the red thumbtack. Conclusion: rotation of the earth causes day and night. Thoughts 1. Do you think life is possible on Mercury? Give reason for your answer. 2. If you weigh 30 kg on the earth, how much will you weight on the moon? Project time. 1. Make a poster showing any one kind of pollution: air, water, or soil. Paste pictures and write a catchy slogan. 2. Recycle and reuse. Make pen stands using old cans. The cans may be either painted or covered with cloth, jute, or paper. Decorate your pen stand.